So now, because I have my report, this report says 139.38, tax record says 149.36. Am I there?
Yeah.
Is there anything that supports that? Right?
Yeah.
All right. So we know that the price that they have, 386,100, is within the range of my property. So, so what is the range? I got 139.38 times 2585 in square feet. Somebody give me a number. And then the highest range I have is 193.95, 193.45 times 2585. Somebody gives me a number.
Come on, Jill.
What's the
The
first number?
first one, 359, 300.
All right. Who's got the second? Who's got the second one? Y'all leaving me hanging? Okay. I didn't leave y'all hanging this morning.
560.
500,068. Right? So the range was, when all I did was take 139.38 times my square footage, which was 2585. Then I said worst case scenario, my best case scenario is 193.45 times 2585. So I got a range of 359,300 to 500,000. The tax record said 386,100. What are they listing it for? Oh, they don't have it listed, do they, Jill? Okay, so they don't have it.
It was listed at 355.
355. When you walk in the house, what do you say? How much would you, if I had a buyer sitting in my car with a briefcase full of cash and I don't, how much would you sell this house for today, Miss blah 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 blah? How much would they sell it for, Jill?
350.
Okay, we can definitely get your home sold. That's how confident we can be walking in the home. So we know the range is 359, 300, somewhere to really about 386. So they want 350. So we got, if this house is listed for 350, and the scenario I gave you guys, where your buyer needed 9,000, Miss Rhonda Martin needed $9,000. I know that I'm going to submit an offer at 359, paying 9 to my buyer, and I know 100% is going to appraise.
And the house was already appraised on this one for 405. The buyer fell through.
You guys with me?
Yeah. You want me to stop?
Oh yeah, you got to stop. Come on, actually. What was that?
About 4.5 minutes.
4.5 minutes.
Yeah.
Y'all gonna spend an hour and a half doing this. I gave you the shortcut.